Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're someone who wants to stress less, worry less, and truly enjoy life, then this video is just for you. Take a deep breath with me, and let's start this beautiful journey together. Have you ever thought, where is our real life? It's not in the past. It's not in the future. It's right here, right now, in this very moment. Today, let's go on a little journey where we leave behind regrets about the past and worries about the future and learn to live fully in the present. Ready to give your life a fresh new start? Take a deep breath and let's dive in. The power of now, how to truly live in the moment. Most of the time, our mind is stuck, either thinking about the past or worrying about the future. We keep replaying what we did or didn't do, or stress over what's coming next. But here's the thing, the only real thing we have is this moment, right now. Life is happening right now. This is the only time we can actually make a difference. But sadly, we miss it because we are too busy looking back or forward. Living in the present is something we have to practice. It frees us from old baggage and future fears. When we are fully present, talking to someone, walking down the street, or just breathing, we truly experience life. The beauty of now is this is where our real power lies. We can't change the past. We can't control the future. But we can live this moment completely. So next time you catch yourself lost in memories or worries, remind yourself, the power of now is always with you. You can choose peace. You can choose presence. You can choose to live now. Letting go of the past, how to move on from pain. Old pain often holds us back. Sometimes we stay stuck in regrets or unfinished stories. But remember, the past isn't your reality anymore. Letting it go is the first step to freedom. First, accept that the past still affects you. Then, forgive yourself. Forgive others too. Forgiveness isn't for them, it's for your own peace of mind. You're not saying what happened was okay, you're just choosing to not let it hurt you anymore. Learn from the past and move forward. Your past can become your strength if you see it the right way. Practices like meditation and mindfulness can help you stay rooted in today. With a little practice, you'll notice the old wounds start healing on their own. Beating fear of the future, how to stop worrying. It's normal to fear the future. We wonder, what's going to happen? What if things go wrong? But the truth is, the future isn't here yet. When we worry about what's ahead, we lose today. The first step to beat fear is to accept that we can't control everything. We can only control what we do today. By taking small steps and living one day at a time, life becomes lighter. Practicing mindfulness and taking deep breaths can bring us back to the present. Also, question your fears. Is this really going to happen? And even if it does, can I handle it? Most fears are just stories we make up in our head. Another tip, practice gratitude. When we are thankful for what we have, our worries naturally shrink. Mindfulness, being fully present. These days, life is super busy and distracting. Mindfulness teaches us how to slow down and really live each moment. It simply means paying full attention to what's happening right now without judging it. Whether you're eating, walking, or just breathing, if you're fully there, life feels richer. To start, just spend a few minutes every day sitting quietly and focusing on your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back. With time, mindfulness will calm your mind, help you handle emotions better, and even deepen your relationships. Accepting the present moment as it is. We often want things to be the way we imagine. But when reality doesn't match our hopes, we get upset. Acceptance means seeing things as they are and making peace with it. It helps us stay connected to ourselves and to life. Learn to feel all your emotions, anger, sadness, fear, without judging yourself. This is real freedom. Letting go of expectations, living without judgment. Expectations often set us up for disappointment. When we expect too much from others or from life, we are bound to feel let down. If we accept each moment just the way it is, we find more peace and happiness. Having goals is good, but even if things don't go perfectly, we can still be content. Why living in the present is so worth it? When we live in the moment, we feel less stressed. We handle emotions better. Our relationships grow stronger. We feel more grateful. We handle challenges better. Life feels more balanced, happy, and real. From scarcity to abundance, changing how you see life. When we focus on what we don't have, we live in fear and dissatisfaction. But when we focus on what we do have, we feel rich inside. Start practicing gratitude today. Stop comparing yourself to others. And trust the flow of life. It's taking you exactly where you need to go. Always remember, life isn't some destination waiting for you in the future. It's happening right here, right now. The past is over. The future is unknown. But this moment, this is yours. With every breath, with every heartbeat, you get to choose yourself again. So from today, from this moment, let's truly live. If this journey touched your heart, share this video with someone who needs it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so we can keep meeting in every moment filled with peace, truth, and freedom. See you in the next video. Thank you.